Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you this platform that you can apply for remote jobs without paying shishi. Let's go.
On jobs, these international jobs, just like I said, let me introduce you to this platform. This is not LinkedIn, this is not Indeed, this is not my job mark. All the job platforms this is a very unique platform. It is thorough research that has brought this out. Here it is, Glassdoor. Did you see where I've tapped? Glassdoor. So all I need you to do is go to your Play Store and download Glassdoor. Look at the logo here. When you have downloaded, where I'm tapping, open it. I'll show you the power of okay, it's telling me about internet. I have to connect my internet. It's loading and it will surely on. Fine, this glass door has opened. So if you are just coming in for the first time, there are certain things that they may need you to do, okay? There are certain things they may need you to do to sign in. So just sign in, go ahead and sign into the platform. It's a very standard international platform where people get a lot of jobs, not just on-site jobs, remote jobs. So this is my profile, blah blah blah. Let's go back. Here is the community. The interesting thing is that if you want to know what people are discussing about job market, the challenges they are facing, this is just like Facebook. People are here discussing, am I the only one jumping through all the hoops and then being ghosted or rejected? It seems to me that I am just wasting my time, blah 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 blah. The person is explaining his or her experience, okay? Once you come in, if I want to also drop my own um experience or opinion. There are people that come to celebrate when they've gotten their jobs. There are people that just come in, I'm a newbie. If I want to write anything, if I want to write anything, I'll tap on that plus sign and choose a bowl to post. I'll post something, write something here and go ahead uh, and got it. But this is not just what I want to show you. I've been on this platform, I've not posted anything. Just sign in. After signing here, these are companies. You tap here, there are companies that I've already applied, and it's just one that is saved there. Here are salaries. If you want to review salaries about job positions, jobs, blah 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 blah. So the places that this Glassdoor works mostly is Canada, USA, and UK. So, my dear Canadians and US and UK viewers, have you gotten a job with this platform? Or you are hearing of it for the first time. If you are hearing of it for the first time, please key in, and I know that you will get that job you are looking for. A lot of recruiters are here. They are here. I've seen a lot of job adverts. I'm the one that is slow. If not, I would have applied for almost 100 now. Recently, I applied for one that came to my mail and blah, 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 blah. It was a recruitment firm. I'm just being sluggish about the whole thing because I want to optimize my CV much more with some more skills than that for now before I will be so active here. But I've applied for jobs here. If they ask you for number, is optional, maybe US number or whatever is optional. If you have it, you can put it. If you don't have it, just ignore it. It will still work out. This thing allow even Nigerians to apply for international jobs. So what are you waiting for? What are you, because I'm a social media manager and a digital marketer, did you see the type of jobs? Because I told them that these are the type of jobs that I want to be getting. I went ahead and searched for remote jobs. Did you see social media manager? Did you see remote social media manager? How much are they paying? This is 45K dollars, and this is some pay per hour. This is social media consultant. This is $18 to $20 per hour. Then this is social media specialist. This is US. This job here. They came from US. It's US that is recruiting. This is $22 per hour. These are remote jobs because I have set mine to. Did you see where I'm tapping up here? Close just below the social media consultant, remote, and then you see their description. So that is this about this platform. I advise you to go ahead and apply for a job using Glassdoor and tell me in here are my notifications. Okay, okay, they are telling me what is happening on the platform. Go ahead and try to apply for a job here, and I hope that you will get the job. Tell me if you have gotten a job even before on Glassdoor, because I'm so sure that this platform is legitimate. If I go to my mail, this is apart from here. Let me go to my mail and show you a lot of job notifications, a lot of them, a lot, like a lot. They keep sending Glassdoor. Did you see that one? They will send. This is Glassdoor, Glassdoor, Glassdoor. Imagine I target and I apply for like 250 jobs in a month, and I optimize my CV so well. Hey guys, tell me how I will not be able to get this job. And some of you have some of these skills they are looking for. Let me quickly dive in. If you want to apply for a job and you check the job description, let's go back to Glassdoor. You check a job description. First of all, try to see the skills they are requesting for. Ask yourself, do you have the skill? If you don't have those skills in that career path you want to pursue, that is already a no-no. You cannot just send your CV and start praying and expect a miracle to happen. What it's telling you is that when you check for a job, let me check for this job and tell you something about job application or why you may have not gotten the job you are looking for wherever your location is. This is a job I am interested in social media management. I'm already taking my own courses and trending courses that I have done. In my next video, I will tell you people how I was able to get the most trendiest certificates that recruiters are looking for in social media management and digital marketing, and how I'm able to study the course. Watch out for that video. But for now, this is a job. These are their requirements. When anytime you are applying for a job, try to check for their requirements. What do they need? Look, it's not just one job. Try to survey jobs in your area, like in your career path, and think what don't just think, check for requirements. What are they looking for? They are looking for strong understanding of social media marketing, strategic tools, proficiency in Canva or other content creation tools, experience. So by the time you read experience with social media listening and sharing platforms like Hootsuite, Buffer, or similar tools, I've just read some and then a lot of others down. By the time you finish reading these requirements, you can take a pen and write out what recruiters are looking for in your career path. This is social media management, this is digital marketing, but your career path might be different from mine. It's left for you to write out those skills, write them out. By the time you finish writing out, check your CV. It's not just by lying and putting those skills in your CV. Ask yourself, do you have what it takes to do this job? Do you have it? And if you don't, what stops you? Because we are in a digital area that you don't necessarily need to physically go to school, like take your bag and go to school before you attend this certification. I'm not just saying you should go buy courses, Facebook, blah, blah, blah. Any course you see, you just buy. Look for a place you can get these skills. Tell me how you will not get a job. Hi, I remain Nancy. Thanks for coming into my channel. I hope you've gotten a lot of value in this video. So go ahead and apply for these jobs. And if you have gotten value, why don't you hit that subscribe button? That's it. Just tap the red button. You don't need to pay any money. Tap on it, bam, and you're part of this wonderful community. I teach a lot of digital skills. I teach a lot on YouTube. I teach you a lot about career. This is an educational channel. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Like this video too and tell me in the comment section your opinion about Glassdoor. Mwah. Love you and see you soon in our latest collection. Bye.